Hi there. I feel like I forgot something. My second monitor's off. Come back. Hear this. Yeah, hello there. I'm just gonna pause the streams so that I don't have to suffer my network connection. Oh, it's suffering already. I'll just fix it, I guess. I'm not even gonna be right back for this. Because it happens so often. Come on, Wi-Fi. Not getting lucky today. Wi-Fi, come on. Here it is. Should now be all fine. Right? Now bitrate is gonna come back, please. And we're gonna be just fine. Anyway, so hello there. Wait, actually, I'm not using the Lich anymore, right? Ooh. Wait, I don't need main RS anymore. Hold on, how do I... Oh, wait. That's right. Not quite used to yet to this layout. Test latency. Pause and pause. 4 seconds. 4 seconds is pretty good, by the way. Is heavier in your browser. There's 15 tabs. Well, if I open 15 tabs in my browser, it's not gonna go well. By the way, if you... hold on. Show me the stream. If you go here and... so if you go to settings and here you can find... Wait, where is it? Advanced video stats. So in this list you can find latency to broadcaster. 335 megabytes, wow. So yes, that's available for all streams, regardless of if you're moderator, if you're a streamer, if you're anyone. If you're just a viewer, you can check latency this way. It is a little off though, sometimes. Because I'm pretty sure you need to not only check latency to broadcaster, but also add buffering, which is also there. Oh, right, I can't use Yazi. I wish there was a layout that would open... so I have a tab, and then I would press a key, it would open a tab below, and then I would press another key and it would split it vertically then. Actually, let's check, maybe there is one. Kitty layouts. Arrange windows. Arbitrary arrangement, splits layout. I guess splits is the way. So tall, fat, grid, splits. Horizontal, vertical. Okay, so if we do splits and then I just interesting. Maybe I should do something like that. A 4 of 6 of 5. Is it default? No. Just pressing arbitrary keys. Rotate. So if I actually go into config kitty, it is gonna be a little more difficult. and I say enable layouts. I'm just gonna say splits here. And then we do also laying conf, either link, right? Kitty. Let's just do bash. Oh, that works. The others I should move to screen edge. Focus, and what is this? Oh, what? Bias. That's interesting. Also, I should probably check YouTube because I just don't. Yeah. Polished capsicum is the name of the leech session, which I am still using the leech for like CLI part of the stream. I don't know, maybe I should drop it at this point because I'm not using Keo for I am using Keo for music. I'm not using a shell script for YouTube chat, so I just need to run 2 commands, being my overlay and yeah, and Keo. Exactly. So maybe I'll do that. Anyway, let's see. So we have a new window. What is it gonna do if I just this, and then I just do new window? Ooh, interesting. So it just splits vertically. What if I do location split? Just gonna. Oh, failed to launch child. Should I do just launch? Wait, launch with current working directory location split. Is this something I can launch with TWD? Is not it's not possible. How do I split it like properly? Continue window with TWD location split. Is this even a feature now? So if I actually map Alt and launch location split, and then I do this, and then I do this. Oh yes, this is totally working. Kitty launch with CWD. Run arbiter program, new Windows tabs. Oh, CWD the current. Why do we have new Windows then? If this is the case. Okay, and I should use Alt slash to rotate instead. And then Alt Control N for the next layout. Map Alt slash rotate. Layout action. Oh wow. Wait. Okay. Oh, that's nice. So if I just create a new one and then rotate and then shrink this one a little bit And then I go here and... Oh wait, I should have done this first and then... Wait. It is a little non-intuitive, but I mean, guess it works. I guess I don't have to have it like this, I can still do it like that. I guess it works. So let's move all layout stuff. HJKL. Wait, where's L? HL. Oh, HLJK. That's the order I had. Resize window. More resize window. And close window. What about resize window? Can I resize the split? Narrower, taller, shorter, reset. I wanna resize the split. Is there a way I can resize the split? Oh wait, bias. Wait, that's not the right key. Ah! Here. Bias. Layout. Wait, how do I communicate with Kitty? I don't think I can. So let's map, I don't know, Alt T for test. The layout action bias. I don't think I can do it without just... Yeah, I need an argument. 80%. Yeah, it's 80% for example. Does nothing. Oh, it does something. Can I change bias? No. Bias plus 10. Oops. Here, wait. No. Wait, plus 10 is like right. Can I change bias? Bias. Range window. Windows bias. Oh, you can supply multiple arguments. Total do bias 80. I want to change bias. Bias can be any number between 10 and 90. Okay, sure. Layout action change. I don't think that's gonna work. Okay, let's look at layout actions. Layout action. Decrease num full size windows. What? Can I decrease bias? Mappable actions. Layout action. Layout action. Can I decrease and increase? Wait, you can have multiple full height windows. Does that mean you can have multiple full size, full width panes here as well? Out. Okay, so layout action, increase bias. Oops. Doesn't work. Add layout action. Dash action. Help. Action. Okay. Action is mappable action. Action. Layout. Action. Bias. Change bias. Remote control is disabled. Ah! Come on. Press Ctrl Shift R to go to. Okay, yeah, I don't like this, honestly. So there are bias and full size options. Can I change the option? I wanna do. Hold on. I wanna do bias plus equals 10. Is this something I can do? Section by int for int with base 10. Ah, what? Can I do this? Action bias and value literal for int plus equals 10. So I can't change it. That's a shame. No, it doesn't want to change. Git change hotkey to change bias. This is literally a quote. Yeah. Anyway, I guess it doesn't really matter. Can probably live with this. So I wanted to open Yazi. That's like the only reason we went on the side tangent is to just open Yazi. So what's this? This is frontends, rustc, src main arrays. Also array. I don't want to git ignore it or something. Maybe I should just delete it. Where is git? Is it in git? Frontends src. Wait, what? Wait, frontends is literally it's just rustc. Okay, so I can just delete it and nobody's gonna notice. It is still in git, right? Anyway, so yeah, this file doesn't exist anymore. So what do we need? librs, I guess. Contents right here. So yeah, I have not looked into anything, by the way. CGUs not gonna work, right? So we need this. We need visit all items like. Also, I don't need this. Also, because why not? Let's just do this. Oh, I forgot I changed my name color. Why is it so bright on here? It is much brighter. Well, even here it's darker. So anything we need? Visitor. Oh wow, congrats. Actually, oh, I remember that, right. I've got QM sub, I'm pretty sure as well. Yeah, I do. What are those emotes? Yeah, I like Gem probably the most. It's just nice. Also, yeah, Overlay doesn't animate because Kanye doesn't want to tell me what's wrong. I mean, he tried. Like, he said multiple times to check what image importer, but it's just correct. I don't know. HR visit all items like syncrate. All item likes. Oh, item likes. Oh, that's what it means, right? Sure. So visitor. We've been implementing visitor for CodeGen backend. Visitor mute v. I'll just make a new one. Oops. Mute CodeGen backend. Actually, I should probably have another struct for this, but temporary, I guess. Type context, type context. Wait, actually. So this is V. V is a visitor which does not have any. Huh? Oh wait, I don't have to provide those types. Right. This type should not be overwritten. I literally did it. So override this type to control which nested HAR service. Oh, what? What is nested filter? Intra. None. Don't visit any nested things. When you add a new non-nested thing, you will want to audit such uses to see if they remain valid. Use this if you're only walking some particular kind of tree. I don't want to thread at CX around. Huh? The most common choice is only bodies. Nested filter. Wait, only where is only bodies? I don't see only bodies. Nested filter only bodies must exist, huh? Oh, oh wow, there's a lot of docs. HR Walker. For walking contents of nodes, here's some here are the 3 available patterns for the visitor strategy in roughly the order of desirability. Desirability. Shallow visit. Get a simple callback for every item or item-like thing in the HAR. Example, find all the items with full attribute on them. How? Use the HAR create items or HAR module items query. Wait, is this one that I was advised to not use? Ha. TCX, HAR, LSP, HAR, items. Avoid calling this query directly. HR create items. Hide of So use either this or this query to traverse over item-like IDs and use def kind and HER item asterisk to filter and access actual item-like thing respectively. Pro efficient. Just walk the list of items and IDs and gives user control whether to access. High fifth function. Going well. Wow, first, second, and third. Second and third came pretty quick. Fight plasma. It's not fight, it's punch. Or attack. Wait, since I have attack, why wouldn't I add punch? By the way, those plushes are more durable. Those plushes are more durable. So I should probably add to to-do list or something. Don't have any to-do lists active here. I don't have to open one. Oh wow. What has happened? I'm not streaming it that rarely, am I? Let me just, oh my god, so many things. I just want my to-dos. Come on. Yes, I also need to tick that. And I need to add, oh my god, hey, no! Hold on. You're punching me? No, I do stream more often. I haven't streamed for last week because I was a little sick, but I am streaming fine, often enough. Where are my to-dos? I wanted to add fight as an alias, right? Ooh, wow, I have many. No, Nigel, don't you dare. No, alpha on your logo. What's alpha on your logo? Huh? Oh, right. Oh wait, it doesn't have transparency. That's old. It's just, I don't remember how I got it even. But yeah, right. It doesn't have transparency. I know it's usually called the alpha channel, I was just confused. I don't wanna get fifth function out. Oh, fifth function doesn't even own their own plushie. I know, it's just, I got confused. Fifth function disappeared. So yeah, I should probably fix the transparency. Actually, I'm gonna add it to my to-do list as well. Fifth function, you might want to catch it. Add transparency to fifth function. Okay, let's see, deep visit. How do you catch a plushie without having any plushes? Well, first of all, yeah, you didn't probably. That's why I have it like that. So first of all, you ask somebody to summon a plushie. Function. Oh my god, this alias doesn't work. You're kidding me. Why? I will add this to a to-do list as well. As an alias. Wait. Oh right, no, it might work. It might be working actually. Now as I think about it, because I have it. I made it back in Blender 2.4. You didn't know how to save an image. It's just good. Okay, so if I flee and then do plushie fifth function, so this should be, yeah, this works. Now, if you wanna catch it, you need to summon any random plushie and fight it and catch it. Or you can try catching it without any plushes. Sure, that also works, but that's unlikely. So you can fight a plushie without having any. It's not yours though, right now. You need to catch it first. Actually, I'm not sure now that I think about it. No, you should be able to. Yeah, you should be able to catch it. You can't fight it without a plushie. I know that sounds silly, but this function, if you want to catch it, you need to first do bank plushies. Second, you need to punch it a few times and then catch it. Random? You don't say random, but sure, here you go. Hold on. Come back. Here you go. Also, Lua is in your way. Here. Can do that. Also, Lua's hiding. Lua's hiding. No, Lua's not gonna hide. Yes, it does. Punch. Wait, why didn't it work? Huh? Huh? Moving on. Okay, sure. See you around. It's weird that it doesn't work. Well, you can also give plushes, by the way. So if a person doesn't have any plushes, that's like the intended way. It disappeared. Doesn't get information about nesting. Don't have message for specific bits of HAR, like on every expression. Do this. So I'm gonna do here. Keep it. One last chance if anyone's gonna. If anyone wants it. Don't have any methods for specific, like on every expression do this. Override. Yeah, see. Wow, Lua is strong. Actually, you don't need to punch as much nowadays. Because, like, you are strong enough, you just need to move towards it. Because your punching energy is still there. Like, oh, you're gonna destroy it soon. You defeated it. Okay, fine, I'm gonna give you another chance. It's like, look, if you punch once and then you just move towards it, you still have enough punching energy. You can still, like, yeah, you can defeat it in one go, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I just helped it with my cursor. You can defeat it in one go if you just it's like here, if I literally just do this. Oh. Well, in 2 you can surely destroy it. So here. And this little bit. Come on. Oh, it disappeared. Oh, you caught it! Oh, wow. Okay, so I'm gonna write another thing. Magnetism. So you don't have to. I'm gonna make it so that when you punch a plushie, when you attack a plushie and you're still attacking it, and you still have the charge, it's just gonna attract. Fifth function, now got fifth function. Let's go. Deep visit. One scan for specific kind of HR nodes within an item, but I don't care about how item-like things are nested. I don't care about it. We Lua flood. Well, now I can. Flashy infinite. I might need to level up and with my own overlay. I'm too weak. Also, I need to do something. I need to, like, actually cut attacks for Because right now you can level up a single plushie a lot and it just destroys everything. And yes, there are things like only streamer plushies have raids and have raid move, Firefox has fire move, and CPU plushes from group CPU take more damage from physical punches. That's a weird one, but sure. That just works, I guess. So yeah, right now doesn't really matter if you have any members on your team, as long as your one member is good enough at punching it, you just punch it anything to death, and that's it. Okay, so do I need to care about the nesting between item like things? So I don't care about it. I care about items. For item in yeah. So I want to see how what this returns, right? No, this is a query. Module items. Oh, there are a bunch of slices. Impul items, straight items, free items, opaques, body owners, nested bodies. Oh my god, that's complicated. Okay, sure, theme, hat, pushing, frappe. No! This... You distracted me with a theme, Redeem. Oh wow! Oh wow! That is smart. Okay, so if we had magnetism, then it would just be over. By the way, just as a reminder, after every punch you have a second cooldown. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything to Devninium. He needs to level up. Fine. You can't catch me. That's my plushie. It's tamed plushie. You can't catch it. No. Okay, Devninium, protect me. No. 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 Ah. Ah. I was too late. Okay, fine. You can catch me if I do something, for example, like here, hold on. If I do something kinda like, come on, level 14. This is insane. Twitch, first of all, you are the person who said you don't like Twitch extensions, so you have them off. Second of all, I do have a Twitch extension. It's called Hit, and you can use it to fight plushes just fine. To move your plushes, and now to fight them, if you using Hit, if you click on a plushie, you're gonna punch it. That's just how it works. So if I do this, actually I could have done it with my main account as well. I don't know. Nah. This is from my second account. Wait, this is wrong command. Netherlands doesn't want to use extensions. I'm also gonna do flashy infinite. Okay, so this is realme. This is the one you can catch. I'm pretty sure you can catch it. I'm just gonna check. It should say... What? Okay, that was lucky. Yeah, when you click double screen, you toggle full screen mode of the stream. But what will you suggest? Force. Okay, so apparently I now have infinite on my team. Name. Scared me. Infinite 2. Okay, now it's Infinite 2. Who wants a copy of me? Gift. You know what? Coders chat, you can receive it. And well, maybe I'll do that at some point. Checking it first direction. Oops, that's a rookie. Well, I don't know, honestly. Wait, right click. Boom. Here. You can practice your directions this way. So yeah, Twitch extension. I mean, yeah, I guess he does it clicks. Let me just open it. Oh wow, you scored it. Let's go. I'll have to mute this. So here's my stream. I normally have it open. Hit extension. So I know you can left click and you can also right click if you're holding Alt, which is interesting. Wait, double clicking. Oh, never mind. I said double clicking with Alt doesn't do anything. I don't know. Only show bands. Player. Advanced. I don't think you can really do anything with this. Another score, let's go. Yeah. What I normally do is I do something kind of like this. So I move my cursor just a little bit and click there. Wow, 3. You have 30 seconds to do another one. So yeah, no, I normally do something like this. So I just move my mouse a little bit. It's not very reliable, but it works. Yay! 15 seconds left for the VIP badge. I don't think you can get it. Here I can help you a little bit. Oh, you got another one! You got an extra one! Because of that. So yeah. Maybe I should give something for beating... for playing... You beat high score. Wait, what was the high score? I don't know. So yeah, his extension is pretty nice, and honestly, I don't really. No, I am still on YouTube. I am still live on YouTube. I don't know why. I'm just. I mean, so I switched to a different network earlier. But less than 5. Huh. So good job, I guess. So I switched. Oops. I switched to a different network earlier, which I normally do when stream starts lagging. Because it started lagging initially. But yeah. Other than that, I don't know why it runs smoother. I also installed VA API, by the way. VA API kernel modules. So yeah, with heat. So look, with heat, you're not gonna have to. Wait, I've got another idea. Heat colon repeat last move. So first of all, once I add magnetism, what I called it in my to-do list, you will be able to click once in hit and the plushie is just gonna target your opponent plushie constantly. It is still one punch, but it is gonna be enough because first of all, you still have 1 second cooldowns between punches, and second of all, well, you just need to improve your what is it? Improve your stats so that less punches are required. And then also, I'm gonna change it so that if you do a move in chat and then try doing it in heat, heat is gonna do the same move that you did in chat and not just punch. I'm gonna change it to that. Anyway, so I wanted to check what this is, what this gives me. So let's debug this value. Wow, many parentheses. I feel like I'm in list plant now. And test sh. Huh? Wait. Oh wait. Huh? Wait, what? Oh, fail to. Oh, right. Cargo toml. Because I got rid of work array. Here. Now it shouldn't see debug. Where's simple? Oh, we've got traits here. Let's do fn test within fn main. Within an item. 2 mornings. Could not find type session. Where is it? I somehow deleted an O here. Wait, why can't I save it? Hey, here. Any structure similar in CodeGen back. Oh right, CodeGen. Let's comment this out. And also, yeah, I don't have to do this. Wait, does this just work like that? Oh, is everything just implemented out of the box? Like, does everything have default implementation? I guess that's what I was asking myself about. Here, let's see. So we've got submodules 1, free items, std. Oh, that's interesting. So std is available, use 0, and have a use. Trait, function, main test, and yeah, that is it. And trait items. Okay, that is interesting. No, this is not nested. So mod test 2. So I'm gonna create a module, and then I'm gonna edit test 2.rs. Then I'm gonna make test 3. And then I'm gonna make a func here. Is it gonna find it? Like, that's what I wanna know. Oh wait, mv samples test 2rs. Oh, that did find it. Oh wow, I did not expect it. So this is exactly what we want, isn't it? I actually don't know why. Oops. Here. So, yeah, now we can clean up all of this. Also, we don't really need any of that as well. either.
Okay, let's go.
So yeah, we have everything, right? I don't. No, I'm not, oh no, it's like oh, it's so close, so close. Okay, I need to actually get better. Uh, actually, raid. I wonder what. I wonder if raid is like any better than punch. Ooh, raid should affect like. Oh wait, hold on. That's not what I wanted to do. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. No. Chat is unusable when I shall start spamming. I mean, true. That was. Okay, so raid is gonna be extra effective against streamers. Because right now it's pretty useless. It's just completely frozen. Oh. Ah, it just went the other way because why not? You. Here. Come on. Ah, come on. That's so close. Uh, punch. Punch. Come on, punch. Whoop. Second time. And the third time. I think it's actually. I think I'm not as strong, that much that strong. Okay, 45 XP. So yeah, Nigel just doesn't wanna use. I'm gonna have a hard time leveling up. What's unfair? Okay, sure. This does not. This does not level me up much. Sure, here you can have Alan. Actually, don't touch Alan. Here you can have Pikachu. You can fight it. A complete client-side Twitch extension. No, not complete client-side Twitch extension, because then it would not make sense. But like, maybe controls could be one. But like, still, you have heat extension. It's perfectly valid. Like, actually. Here. Like, it's actually perfectly valid. Come on. Load up. Load up. Full screen. Okay, that's not full screen I wanted. Oh my, it's also gonna open moderator view. Why do you have to do that? Wish I could just open the stream. Okay, sure, we can do it from mod view, I guess. So here, heat extension. Come on, full screen. It's not the full screen I wanted. Sure. Let's just do this. So we'll do a random plushie. Here, Luanti. Let's wait for it to appear on the stream. And now you can. Oh, what did I just do? Okay, sure. Here, click on that. And wait. Oh, come on. Okay, I see it. Why it is annoying. I see. I see. Maybe making a custom extension would be worth it. I can't even click it. Okay, sure. I'm gonna full screen it. I'm just gonna click there. I can't. I don't even know what happened. He's closed. I mean, still, like, uh, oh, come on. Wait, why can't I? Here, move this over here. Okay, can I not click on it? Honestly, I'm not really a fan of making a custom Twitch extension because I'm also gonna need server-side data. So I'm gonna need a server. I don't want to make a server. Really. Yeah. Why is it not working? It should be. Well, if I click. Wait, I can't control it at all. Huh? Logs? Oh, script error. Move timeout of property ref counted plus. Huh? Okay, I'm gonna have to restart my overlay. Hold on. Can I not? I guess I can, but it is like. Then why would I send messages to Heat if I can just send. If I like. If I can just use Heat instead? Oh my god, why is it falling out always from this side? This is just fortune, I guess. No, Heat is a great extension. You even have right clicks, which I only recently found out about when Kanye brought up the admin panel. This is annoying though, cause the thing below. Yes, imagine you watching full screen. Why doesn't it work? Well, that's on me. I couldn't use public stun or turn clients to connect. Wait, the server to connect. Uh, huh. Well, I don't know. So does it even work if I just click? Okay, I guess overlay fixing stream. I just can't push it further. I just can't push it off. Used by WebRTC, for example, doesn't tell me anything. Hi Penguin. Been at sports for 1 hour. Oh wow. Okay, so multiple things that are up with the overlay. Come on. Oh, it's starting soon now. Well, I guess it's not much interesting to look at anyway. So, yeah, Twitch media loader should work. Twitch image transformer set. Anything I need? I know, I'm just gonna reset it, I guess. Cache stuff. Media loader. API. Should there be an image transformer here? I don't think there should. And sub chat. Also, auth is broken. By the way, there are no secrets I can leak here. I mean, there are, but I'm not. Auth.conf broadcast. Oh, wait, broadcaster is fine. URL cache file. Oh, right, that's why. So that's important. Then we need Media loader, I don't know what to do with that. Plushly instance. So you were saying heat is bad. Honestly. What does it take to make it custom? Custom Twitch extension. Honestly, I don't really want to make a custom one because heat is just there. It's done for me already. Clash of Code, okay, sure. Clash of... Oh wait. Coding game. Coding... game. Oh wait, I need to log in. Hold on. Why am I onboarding? Hold on. That I guess. Events, solo multi Clash of Code. Bot programming. I wonder what that is. And Coding Escape, I heard of it. Well, I saw it somewhere in Coding Game. Sounds pretty cool. So yeah, what do I press? Start a private clash. Which one? Fastest, shortest reverse. Honestly, I like shortest and reverse most. Probably reverse more. Shortest, sure. Language is all. Here you go. YouTube. Oh. Hi Nico, sorry for missing your message 30 minutes ago. I don't have YouTube chat open on screen all the time. Just in case. I'm gonna drop it on YouTube. See, YouTube is just annoying. Huh? Angel, why are you leaving? So yeah. Is this open? Are we all ready? I wanna look at this.
Twitch extensions. You may have heard of them or seen them on a stream, but what are they exactly and how do they work? That's what we're...
Let me just...
Extensions. Muxie's leaderboard is a great example of a panel extension. Rather than being shown on top of the video, this extension itself or below the player in a panel. They're created by developers like you and are made available to all streamers to use on their channel page or just a set of streamers that you specify. Let's look at a couple of examples. The op.gg for League of Legends extension is an overlay extension. It adds a clickable element in the Twitch video player to display the streamer's current game statistics, including win rate, runes, and masteries in League of Legends. Muxie's leaderboard is a great example.
Wait, I just missed completely what he said. Okay, sure, view sample code. Glitch.com/twitchdev. What? What is glitch? And this does not work. Sample Twitch extension. This does not work. No, Twitch is... Have you seen YouTube API? If you had, then you don't have a right to say this. Twitch is awesome compared to that. This. What? Well, it works fine for me on Firefox. I can follow channels just fine. Hey! I don't agree with that. I can say this for YouTube. And it's so much worse than Twitch. Oh, Twitch dev extensions, hello world. Right. Anyway, I think you're ready. So I'm just gonna launch this instead of eating. So that's shortest, right? You don't have to. Even when you disable cache, you can't get new versions. What? The shortest mode, sure. Don't remember. No. No, maybe. Which language do we have? Oh, we don't have the one I was looking for. Sure, I guess. Doesn't really matter. All the odd numbers from 1 to n were n is given as inputs. Okay, that's easy. Although, shortest. Honestly, I don't remember how to loop in Lua. I wish there was Weewoo. Or something like that. C, C++, C bash. Okay, that's not gonna be shortest at all. In Java, now I'll just be dead there. I honestly don't know which language, because this is a boring problem. Just want to do an exotic language. PHP? Nah. Perl? Pascal? Oh wow, this is ugly. I'll just stick with whatever I had. Honestly, I don't remember how to do loops in Lua. I'm pretty sure this is the one. Oh yeah, it is. Can I make it any shorter? I don't think I can. I guess I'll just submit. Cause like, I can't really do anything with it. No, that wasn't fun. Kind of fun? No. Boring. Too easy. Cause like there isn't much to compress. Statement clear, test case relevancy ideal. Too boring. I don't know, you can get smaller than my language. Smaller than with Lua. I don't think you can get smaller in Lua. But you can definitely get smaller than me with Lua. Than Lua. Imagine if I made an extension that would send, if you like do anything, it would just send messages in chat. And then it would also filter chat. What's bin? Generate third services. Okay, I don't like this. I just don't like this already. Backend. I don't care about backend right now. Give me frontend public. Oh wow, config.js. Twitch on context, Twitch rig log, unauthorized those, token, user ID. User ID is what I care about. Config HTML. Config page. Twitch extension min.js. Yeah, this stuff. The stories feature. You can escape it through clicking on X in top right corner, not on clicking on the logo. Also shows expired stories. Well, I don't use stories in Twitch and like anywhere. Configure this. Just kidding. You can't escape. You can't escape by clicking on X? Oh, that's interesting. Video component, video overlay. Oh wow, why is there so many things? No, not as bad as YouTube. Definitely. Okay, so yeah, I see just HTML. Literally anything JS, your JS. Because who wants to type it every time? Requests, get set, post get, set get, post get. Request return this. Oh, it's to localhost. Right. Someone this CSP headers blocks the whole rendering of the page. With the blank page, what? Well, do better, I guess. Make it, make your own thing. Oh, stuff. Context, unauthorized. Server credentials. Update block. Game. Logger like success, and then the function. Give you a team of 5 persons, and you'll redo Twitch in 2 to 3 months. Oh wow, that's a claim. I feel like it's not gonna be that easy. You also need like a lot of servers and finances, I guess. But I mean, honestly, I kind of feel the same way. I kind of feel like this is possible. Five sophisticated. Actually, what's actually what does sophisticated mean? Highway the king. Okay, so I feel like Indian trend is over, and now we have German trend in my chat. Why? Sophisticated meaning. What's up with that? Having or showing much worldly knowledge or cultural refinement. Also code after work school. Oh, yeah. I see. So yeah. Oh, something happened. Oh wait, I forgot to share my code, right? Well, you got it. I won. Why am I modding rustc? Cause why not? That's my work. Python for I in range. Yeah, you could make it shorter probably. I think you can just do range. Hold on. I think you can just do range of let's say 5. Let's say 5, 1, 2. List that. Wait, what? Oh wait. I need to flip them when I use two arguments, right? Yeah, you could do that. You know, rustc is slow. Not because it's slow, I'm modding it because I want my compiler to work with rustc, basically. One this same tokens. It's not counting tokens, it's counting bytes. First of all. Second of all, I'm pretty sure same bytes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So we're gonna get rid of those 6 characters. Those 6 bytes. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we are gonna add 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna add 4. Just 4. So I think it's worth it. Yeah, it is worth it. 2 bytes less it would be, and you would be on the same with me. Also, I'm pretty sure you can get rid of curly brackets, and you can also get rid of actually no. Well, yeah, surely you can get rid of curly brackets. Let's make it smaller. So from 1 to this 2, remove that, and I don't know if this is gonna work, but I know what will. Since we removed the if, we can do this. So let's say 8. Well, that works. And that is less bytes. So space goes to colon. We swap those out. So this is minus 4 bytes. So you would have beaten me with that. Now let's see this TypeScript. Well, that's not shortest. All of those spaces. All of those spaces. Anyway. Another one. I don't know. Messages from our EBS. Okay, so jQuery. Let me click it. Twitch ariglog. Listen from coming broadcast message from EBS. Wonder how this works. See, maybe it's not that hard to make a Twitch extension. Should we try doing it right now, right here, right now? I don't know. Some things I would like to change first. So this byte is an alias, right? As well. So we have punch. Wait, where do we have punch? In plushie or in, I don't remember. Plushie instance. Also, heat doesn't seem to work, so should probably fix that. Plushie move timeout. Is move timeout? Yeah, move timeout is not on plushie. Move timeout is on self. That's one thing. Another thing is where is the attack command? Where's the command processing? Is it in world? Might be in world. Well, my code is knit together so screen actually. It's knit together so badly. Ready process on Twitch event sub event. Yeah. Forwarded to owner. Oh, so it is moves. So it's in plushy libs that we assign moves. Right. Punch, fire rate. Oh, here's the aliases. Ha. That is interesting. Oh, you do want another one. You didn't have to redeem it. Haskell only. Okay, maybe you should have you did have to redeem it. Then Haskell only. Shortest, reverse, or fastest, or any combination of those. If you do a combination, it's gonna pick one at random. Fastest. Okay, that's what I was afraid of. Okay, here you go. YouTube chat check. Here. Did I do Haskell? I did do Haskell, right? Only Haskell, right? Yes, I am afraid of this, honestly. Also, I wanna know how LSS work here. So let me just quickly check. Oh, get move. Oh, right, get move checks LSS. Okay. Hide doesn't. For me, it literally says Haskell. Like, look. Here. Programming language is allowed Haskell. I literally said it. I literally checked it again. Well, I don't know. You can try checking it. I guess we're just gonna verbally accept it, I guess. Plus leap. Okay, so moves. Attack. Well, fight is not fight. Fight is not really correct. Physical. So, does any of you do bang physical? Wanna do some Haskell? I don't know if any of them know any Haskell. By the way, I'm pretty sure Penguin Operator just left. It didn't come back yet. Yeah. And I don't think Void King knows Haskell, so I think we're alone too here. Yeah. Should we start? No. So I wanna check some things off then. This. When you have work. Sure. I guess so, yeah, let's just start, I guess. And okay, fastest Haskell, that's gonna be tough. That's gonna be very tough. I don't remember Haskell. Just to be clear, I haven't written a single line of it since before. Must compute the value of a linear function. Oh wow, at given points. I guess it's not that hard. You're right. Set of n values. Compute reach the n values of x. Okay, since oh wow, what is this? Oh why is it so awkward? How do you print? Put strln. How do you convert into string? I don't think that's gonna work. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Oh wait, right. Can you do normal math with Haskell? Yeah, I need to convert. Put int ln. Yes, it doesn't exist. I'm gonna have to Google int to string. Int to string. Oh, show function. Oh, that is actually, yeah, that makes sense. Show. This seems to work. Yeah. That was, oh, that was fast. Yeah, start. I mean, I did kind of cheated because I looked up how to convert into string because I do not remember. But I didn't really have to do anything. I'll show your code. Semantical. What does this word mean? Okay, hold on. I'm like in this age where I wanna know. Also, did you miss a letter? It is anticlimactic. It was meant to have a C. I'm pretty sure. Like in climax, disappointing or ironically insignificant. Okay. Uh, or ironically insignificant following of impressive foreshadowing. Yes, so it is anticlimactic. What does ironically insignificant following mean? Of impressive foreshadowing. I mean, impressive foreshadowing is when you foreshadow or predict something. Well, foreshadow is not quite predict. It has a little more meaning, and then you do, and then this ironic. What does insignificant have to do here? So like when you foreshadowed something and it ironically happened. Is that the case? I mean, should I just do that? I mean, would you not be excited if I had a redeem to change in the result? So it's not what you expect, basically. But would changing my terminal font would it not be very would it not be big news for you? I'm sticking with my monofont. So I wanna show the code. Do you wanna show the code? It's like it wasn't that hard. I just inserted one line basically at the end. Well, not in the end, in the loop. And removed one. Windings. Aim. Oh yeah, you did literally that. Oh, you used the dollar sign. Right. I forgot about dollar sign's existence. I actually don't remember what it is. I'm pretty sure it splits stuff up. And then you do this, right? But you did a times x plus b, not what I did, but doesn't matter. And then for some reason you removed comments. Do not remove. You removed the do not remove comment. Hey. Anyway. Some quick things I wanted to also do here. This should have no! I'm not gonna be able to do that, first of all. Second of all, you see the do not remove part. None of us would figure this out. But yeah, reading stuff maybe would have figured out ourselves. Although I like when boilerplate is done for me. It is just nicer. Okay, so I wanted to go to plush instance, close other tabs. Circ. You actually found a bug in a coding test once for a job interview. Oh wow. Cage, closest rigid bodies, attack. Okay, attack. So attack does the impulse. And then I'm just gonna copy this. Closest rigid bodies. Because he was using C, and he was able to add a patch to your submission to circumvent the bug. Wait, you found it because you were using C. What? How is that related? You were able to to the patch. Okay. Process. I don't think you would have found it using something like Python. Okay. Sure, I guess. Process. What did I want? To remaining 0. Okay, here. Attack target now. Not now. So first thing we're gonna do is apply the impulse to attack target. So we're gonna scale this one down. So initial impulse will be a little higher, a little smaller. I mean, than before. Here. Target position being attack target center, right? Get center position minus this one. Then we do this. Well, I guess we can just do impulse normalized multiplied by 50 multiplied by delta time, I don't know. Wait, do I even have delta? Wait, yeah, I do. Multiplied by delta. So we apply impulses. Okay, wait, not impulse. It should be force probably. Also, I should stop this. Wait, here. So I don't have two overlays running, because that would be awful race conditions. Also, did I mute and not DND instead? Hi, Sergeant Pepper. So we were doing. Let me just show you something cool. So if I just open test Sage. Yeah. So if I do cargo build, a specific package, and then I can do rustc on a random file with this specific flag, and it's gonna run my code. So it's gonna run Rust compiler on that file, and it's gonna run my code on it, which is gonna so it's basically a backend. So it was meant to build the code that rustc gets. So rustc gets the code, rustc does some analysis, transforms it, and then passes it over to my code, which was meant to compile it to, in our case, C. But then we got sidetracked into fixing my overlay, because plushy. So it shouldn't be apply impulse, it should probably be apply force instead. Does position have to be set? No, it doesn't. So yeah, like that. Now if I do the plushie again. Wait, it didn't load yet. Hold on. I need to do it again. Vote. Wait, what's vote? Alright, I know what vote is. Okay, now if I do random plushie, programmer Jeff, sorry, I'm gonna have to punch you a little bit. punch. Ha. Okay, that is definitely not enough. Basically, yeah. Okay, so 200 maybe? Does it still have any? Wait, no, I can't really test it, can I? No, it does still have charges. 2000. Huh? Print. Oh, wait, attack hits. Oh, right. Wait, no, that's. Yeah, that's correct. That's what it should be. Print attacking. Attacking. It's still attacking. I don't feel the force. Okay, so apparently it was just too low. But now this is a little too high. So if I do this and then I punch. Well, it's gonna be easier for Nigel to test. Actually, I'm gonna flee. I'm gonna check my team. What's there in my team that's like small regex? Regular expressions, the language of gods. So if I punch now. Oh wait, yeah, it doesn't have much. I need more hits. I need something with a lot of hits. Kinda like infinite plushie. So yeah, that works, I guess. Huh? Why can't I? Why am I not? Why am I not going towards it? I feel it gravitating towards it. Like, look. But it's just not going there. Is the friction too high? Okay, from this side it surely does. Ah. Okay, punch. Okay, so if I do this. So yeah, it is definitely gravitating towards it. And if I release it here, it will just roll. But if I release it here, well, it still just rolls. Doesn't it? No, it doesn't. It just stopped. Well, okay, so when it punches, it just stops. It just gets stuck. Somehow. I don't get why. Ha! Okay, that is weird. Is it still? It is still on its way. Ha. Okay, let's leave it for now. Nigel, are you still here? Can you test it, please? Because I know that's gonna be much more interesting to you. In the meantime, I just wanna hack this a little bit more. Yeah, I'm only pressed. So yeah, this where was it? Oh yeah, here. This was working. This works just as well. HER create items. See, we can just log info. Do we have any log crates? Yeah, leave sure. Yeah, I'm gonna keep Twitch extension because maybe I'll do that. Who knows? Actually, I wanna check this out. Just wanna start a server. Also, static IPs, I'm not particularly enjoying that. (2024) IPv6 to mobile connections isn't widespread. Huh? Kinda. Sure. Okay, so we don't have any. Oh, we do have log and tracing. Since when did we get a log crate? Huh. Oh, here we go. We don't have any. We don't have it. Yeah, sure. Cargo add log package or core rustc. And if we test, will it log? Will it log the thing? I don't think it will. Wait. Come on. So this doesn't. But if I open test sh and first of all do this, and then second of all I'm gonna do rust log equals or rust c, wait, here rust c log. Do we do rust c log instead? Some filter directors would enable trace, they're disabled statically. Huh? So if we do this, trace. Okay, sure, trace it. Doesn't want to be traced. Static max log level info. Okay, sure, info. Are you gonna be angry? No. Because I wanna see info. But doesn't seem to work. Okay, if I get rid of rust C part, I just do rust log. Target feature x87 must be enabled. Ha. Wait, is x87 successor to x86? Oh wow. That's a wild theory. But I feel like it is kinda true. SSE2, right? Oh, this will become harder. Oh wow. Okay, don't seem to be able to do rust log stuff. Well, it is rustc log, right? Maybe an underscore here. Don't see anything. Maybe tracing. Maybe should have used tracing. Oh, come on. So tracing, unlinked create. What if I just do external create tracing? Oh, wait, I can. I think I can. Oh, it works. Here we go. Let's remove this. So yeah, I wish a little more than this, but I guess that's matter. Okay, let's see. So we need something. I don't remember how to use Oracle. Okay, there is cgen, right? Wait, cargo toml. Yeah, we do have cgen. So just need a backend that implements Oracle stuff. Right. Okay, honestly, I don't really like how the code is looking right now. A little too messy. It's fine. You don't need visitor now. I mean, it is looking fine, but it feels like it feels to me that the screen is too small. I could do something like this, and that would be more comfortable. But now you can't see anything. I mean, and I don't think you care, but I do. Anyway, extend create tracing. So we'll do that. Any. Wait, we don't need any, do we? No, we do need any. Then some traits, backend, right? So what do we need? No, we don't. We need codegen. So we need codegen to put into codegen create function. Now this exists. Abstract codegen. Impl codegen. Could make new, I guess. So we need a backend. B Oracle. So use Oracle backend. Well, actually, Oracle will only have backend from this point onwards. So I guess because front-end traits are not gonna be a thing anymore. If you had forgotten about sequence.ins in OCaml, you wouldn't have used Python for the first game. OCaml. Or you wouldn't have used OCaml for the first game. Wait, what? Oh wait, no. There's a list of n plus 1, n plus 2. Huh. Well, you have used Python, so what? Doesn't make sense to me. If you had forgotten about ints from, I assume, OCaml, then you wouldn't have used Python. But if you had forgotten about it, you would have used it. What? Or you mean hadn't forgotten about CQints? So that makes more sense. Okay, let's go to backend. Oh, come on! You're gonna drain my cup. Okay, so what do we have here? Drown stream. Drown train! Yay! Okay, so we have this. We have all of. Wait, is the backend the only? Is backend the only file? It is. Okay, so we can just get rid of this, and put it here. And this is just Orco. Feels wrong to me, but I guess sure. Also, I did not test, but I should be able to. Yeah, I should be able to do this. Great. Okay, so if we go into Covino's life, 10 hours of Covino, what? Big day today. Backend, frontend. By the way, Nigel, test the new punching system. Well, first of all, actually, first of all, I should have tested heat extension. Wait, why am I opening dashboard? I should be opening Twitch. Okay, can you test heat as well? So you do only one punch. YouTube check. Nothing. Wait, I'm not looking at what I should be doing. Okay, so you clicked, right? So it worked. Okay, let me try. I'm not gonna destroy you on one hit. No, you said punch. How did I miss this message? Okay, let's try clicking. Doesn't work. Doesn't seem to work. Wait, where is? Huh? Okay, just randomly. Okay, hit doesn't work. Where is hit? Okay, I'm gonna print only authorized messages, basically. Click. Doesn't seem to work. Huh? So it doesn't seem to. Oh, it authorized bot, right? Where is? Huh? Where is the window? Where is the browser tab that's authorized bot? This is so broken. Oh, it's ready now. Okay, if I just click on screen, it shouldn't do anything. If I do a plushie, and now click on screen, it's gonna print anything? It's not gonna print anything. Oh, from JSON. Oh, come on. Get users broke. Kanye! Kanye, it's your fault. It's on Kanye. Kanye said I could blame him anyway at any point I want. So I'm blaming you, Kanye. Oh my god, why is this code formatted so wrong? Also, why is authorizing bot takes a while? I mean, it does work at least. Wait, why am I even doing a random plushie? Should just click. Oh, it does work now. Okay, now if I click on the plushie, magnetism. No, don't. Okay, if I click here, about here. Oh, okay. Actually, okay, fine. Hold on. Alt click, alt click, alt click, alt click. Alt click does the same. Modifiers. Oh wow, there are modifiers. Wait, does control click also do something? Oh wow, alt click does shift click also? Okay, we have all modifiers. Oh wow, that's pretty cool, actually. No, you can't punch me. This looks funny. I know it's gonna stop at some point, right? Wait, have you stopped punching already? No, you haven't. Nigel, you may stop now. Actually, you should stop because it's not doing any hits. There's no point in spamming it anymore. Oh wait, it stopped. Oh, because you have initial velocity. Well, it's not gonna do anything anyway. So let me just increase the velocity and also hide this. Where is the velocity? No, you stopped. I see that you stopped. Because so there is no point. So you are right now you're attacking me. And so your plushie is gonna try to go towards me. Since it detected the wrong position of me, that's just the case. It is like now stuck a little bit, but yeah. Impulse normalize. Oh, it's impulse, right? We need to go to process and multiply this by 8,000. Okay, now if I... Well, this is gonna be immediate death for me, but worth trying. Wait, where is my plushie? Is it still here? Oh. My alt just destroyed it. Okay, let's try that now. Oh wow. Is that it? Wait, no, that's not right. Wait, no, what? Is this all damage, all the damage I do to you? Oh wow. Only 10% done. Ads. Yeah. So you're gonna want to battle those plushes that come out of first, second, third. They're stronger. A little bit. I still need the eye for them. Okay, let's do random plushie. It's about here. Oh, what? Huh? Why am I dealing like no damage? Okay, wait. Okay, I can't really reach. That's annoying. I don't know what happened. Okay, let me do another random one. And let me also get this one. out. Here, Nigel, you can have it. No, you can't punch me. You can have the well, VLC disappeared. Anyway. So I wanted to test magnetism. Okay, it seems to work. Oh wow, I went right through that. Okay, maybe a little bit stronger. Maybe a little bit stronger. So cocoon about here. Hey, no, don't just don't. Okay, this is totally broken. I'm just gonna flee. Okay, so I am going through that pretty well. And is this the end of my punch? Yes, it is the end of my punch, which is very good. Okay, let's save that, I guess. I need to check. Anything else I wanted to do on the overlay? I wanted to fix fifth function. And for hit, I wanted to repeat last move. But yeah, well, maybe when we won't do that. Although fifth function would be nice. Fifth function, 5th function. How do I get profile picture? Did you put a space here? I didn't even know you could do that with Twitcher. Oh, okay, I don't like the hash. 140 by 140. Nah. Forbidden. Anything else I could grab an image of? Website. Racket. You wanna level up your plushes? Okay, I don't think the website has it. Maybe I should just ask fix function. Limited free food. Just pay shipping, huh? 10 boxes left? How fresh. What? Sure, I guess. You're back, welcome back. Wanna get your, wanna get on the leaderboard, Penguin Operator? You probably do, you just don't know about it. Okay, that is not the icon. Yeah, I guess we just want fifth function to give that. Then. So yeah, this seems to work. Heat seems to work. I'm gonna do this for now. So yeah, if fifth function comes to the screen, then sure, comes to the stream, then sure. By the way, I was thinking about streaming some. Oh, that's fine. I was thinking about. Let me just restart my overlay. Here it is. Now it's loading. Is it loading or is it? It is loading. It loaded. Let's go. So I was streaming. I was thinking of streaming some Minecraft plugins. Just like all of a sudden, but yeah. I have some ideas about that. So maybe I'll do that. Maybe I won't. Who knows? Nobody knows. But yeah, just keep that in mind. Oh yeah, right. Yesterday in the evening I just looked at them. Each IO. We got 10th, which is pretty good. I just spoiled all the fun. I was just waiting for the results tab and it just wasn't there. So if we scroll down, there are 2 10th places. Let's go. Friend place 5. Wow. Shapes in space. Did I play this? I don't think I played it. It's very good. Very good place. Go. To make power-ups. Oh wait, maybe I did. No, I don't think I did. I did just a few. Yeah, I didn't. Okay. Oh, that's music. That cursor is interesting, but I kind of wish it hit my mouse cursor. Oh, I can't move it. Wait, I can. No, this is a little confusing. So those are as yellow, but I can move them. Stretch limit, original shape, perimeter, sure, I guess. Press spacebar to activate. Okay. Bounces. Well, I don't have to do anything. Okay, now I do actually have to do something. Finally. The music is pretty loud. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. Okay, I almost don't have to do anything for those levels to work. I can do minimal modifications. Not on this key though. Actually, can I? Wait, no, I do need this. So we'll do that. And then that, I guess. Wait. I don't know. I wish I could swap those. Can I really? Yeah, I can't drag it, obviously. Oh, wait. Yeah, let's move this down. Is there a liquid inside of it? Or is it just a sine wave? Yeah, I don't know if I can get it actually. Or maybe I can do something kind of like that. Yeah, no, in no way I can get it that far. What is the stretch limit? Is it the perimeter? Or is it the area? Yeah, it falls too quickly. What's wrong with me? Can't get it. Can't seem to get it. Can I move the destination? Perimeter. Oh, right. That was the new line perimeter word. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, I don't know if I can get it actually. We need to move it up. I guess. Do it. Need more velocity. Can I get more velocity with more bounces? Is it just something I can do? I don't think I'm getting more bounces. I think I can do it like if I do it carefully. No, I can't. Oh wait, this might work actually. Yay, it does. Took me surprisingly long to figure out. Oh wow, we've got a second one. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, and this just collides with this. Those effects. Oh. Oh, okay, whatever. Ooh. Well, this shouldn't be that hard. Oh wait, this one doesn't get there. Yeah, sure. Here. Oh wait, right, this is how we did it last time. This works. That's it. I mean, I like this game actually. Graphics is not really my style, but I like the gameplay. I wish I could rate it now, but too late. Um, Originality, impression. I would have. I'm surprised that impression is low. Although impression is not quite it. So yeah, I don't know. Actually, like OLC code gem criterion are pretty hard to rate. Because like adherence, legitimacy, I don't even know this word. Like, what is in the spirit entry? I I like just rate art, rate enjoyment, rate like I don't know, um, originality, sure, the idea. But like, what is this? Legitimacy, adherence. Okay, sure, adherence as well. Originality, impression. Oh, shake my charm. So yeah. Anyway, can get rid of that. Oh, can get rid of that. Orco's now shorter. Yeah, we'll need to do a lot of stuff. There's an interface. Wait. Interface code. No, I need a backend. Declare define. I guess I would just create functions for this instead of doing that. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna do this. Actually, I'm gonna make a separate module pub mod declare create module add declare mod rs. Okay, sure. So we're gonna declare right here without any threads, right? We're probably gonna cut gen as well, because yeah. Each here create items. So items is what again? Oh come on, LSP, are you gonna ever load? By the way, I forgot completely about chat 3. Oh, wait, what? Oh, it crashed. Lazy git crashed, huh? Update. Let's do some changes. Push. Here. Now I also kind of wanted to go to dot files, and there are some things I wanted to also get rid of. Wait, 2 new lines. I need to fix it. Oh, I need to fix kitty config as well. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Oh, by the way, WL ropes. Let me actually check. Did we get the window capture? Oh, Wayland output, DMA buff, Wayland output, SCPI. Yeah, that's not very good. I wanna test, just to test, start virtual camera. We make sure the data driver is up to date. Yeah, that didn't quite work. Program preview scene source. His source, let's do webcam. Yeah, that's not working. Okay, yeah, it's not working, sadly. But it is there at least. Here, YouTube check. It was fine. So yeah, we need to fix Kitty and Helix languages. Kitty, because we have comments here. I don't want them. Yeah, that's about it. Config Helix languages Tomo. because there's any. Oh, actually no, this is correct. Wait. Okay, commit update. Update. Yeah, my commits are just update, 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 upgrade, update, update. Config changes, fix, chat reposition, fix. Update, small patches, exif tool, upgrade. I should upgrade my system, by the way. Anyway. Also, start doing it anyway. Let's go to GitHub and check Git status. Did I change anything here? I did. Emotes. Let's do lazy git. There's no space here, sure. I guess let's just do this. Emotes, right? Hi. Hi deleted. Appended hype manual. Modified this. Appended rate. Modified this. Removed high log. SVG. Appended wave. Oh, move and then remove. Wow. Close to light. Yeah, right. Okay. Emotes and redeems. And redeem. A single redeem. Push that. Oh, that takes a little bit of time. Sure. Anyway, let's get back to it. So let's do declare items. So let's do a back. Let's create a backend. Cgen. Come on. Backend. New. Yes, just new. Then we'll do mute backend. And then the codegen, but that's for later. Let's declare first. What do we have in backend? Oh, everything is commented out, right? Let's just add finish, I don't know. Let's do this. And create a function. Pub of and declare. So this should be like available. rustc middle. Oh, backend rustc main backend. That's not the backend I want. Yeah. Oh wow, it did not correctly interpret. Wait, what? rustc main is orcoxygen? Oh, what? LSP, you're crazy. It says it's orcoxygen. What? So if I just literally put in here. Huh? Okay, I don't get why. No, it actually works. What? Okay, so this makes sense. Module items. It doesn't return anything. But the backend part. I just wanted to do declaration backend here. Or Constitution could merged into rustc main. Like actually, Helix LSP is just messing me up. I mean, I would expect it if there was like something automatically imported as, because that would be weird. I mean, rustc main could easily have a backend trait or something, or a struct. I don't know, but like that's so weird. Okay, so what do we have in items? We have functions, obviously. First thing, free items. For item in free items.free items. So item. Yeah, so those are function decals. Let's just try to create them. By the way, I had an idea of how to implement trade bounds in C. I don't remember it though. Oh wait, trade bounds are generics. So if you do, wait, I think I do remember it. Oh yeah, I do remember how to do this with generics. rustc challenge part 3, Nigel, anytime soon. I'm actually afraid of this too much. So maybe something different, maybe like Zig to C or something with generics to C that I know of. Actually, you're gonna throw traits at me and everything. Or you're gonna choose Haskell or Camel. And just throw like recursion, tail recursion, anything. Anyway. So item. Actually, what is it? The bodies for items are stored out of line in a separate hash map in the crate. Here just record the HIR ID of the item, so it can fetch. So it can fetch later. Okay, no, I'm not gonna do that. But like actually, seriously. Okay, maybe not free items actually. Maybe because we have other variants. We have bodies, body owners, and nested bodies. Actually, let me just comment this out. Debug items again. Simple. Fan tests 2. Oh no. Maybe not. Why did they ask for it? 7 p.m. Yeah, test SH. Could not compile cgen due to prevent previous error. Oh right, Orco backend doesn't exist. Yeah, that doesn't exist. You don't need Ubi anymore. You don't even need to use it. It's just Orco now. Could not compile rustc. Right. Expected one generic argument in CodeGen. What? CodeGen mode. Right. I have messed it up. Just get rid of it. We'll deal with it later. I should probably write docs for this as well. Your declaration backend is not implemented for backend. What? Oh, right, it isn't. Where is the declaration backend implemented? Where was it? Was it in CodeGen? No, CodeGen is like pure definition. No way I just got it in types. I did. Actually makes sense. So it's just create backend now. We don't have any other things to reuse. This is just Oracle. And this is just Oracle. This is just Oracle. And this is just Oracle. And this is just Oracle. 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 Okay, if I comment this out. Might want to do this. And convert type, we'll comment this out. Oh, the backend implementation is so easy, isn't it? Alright. Thread backend. Thread bound backend primitive type source. Oh, right. More cool. Yeah, that works, doesn't it? It doesn't. Oh wait. Write this. Maybe it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Oh wait, OB right. I feel like I replaced the wrong OB somewhere. What? Having upstream creates all available in one format will likely make this go away. What? What is this? Oh wait, this is the wrong error. Wait, no, it isn't. What? Okay, I think we're gonna have to end on this because I don't think I can fix it right now. Um. Prefer dynamic. rlib dilib. In rustc. I guess I can put rlib here as well. I don't think it's gonna help much. Yeah, I need to allow rlib in orco cgen libres cargo toml. Is it an... Well, this should work though. I don't think it wouldn't. If I go to orco cargo toml and put this in lib. Wait, here. It's not lib, is it? Huh. No, doesn't help. I don't wanna put this everywhere. Wait, here. Test create rs output. Prefer dynamic. It's linking all dependencies, so huh? What? Okay, what dependencies do we have? How did I do this? If I get rid of this, and in here I comment this out, will it compile? It will. No, like that. It won't, because Orco. Orco has dependency on Stringleton. Okay, I don't like this. And cargo toml of frontend has dependency on Orco and Orco cgen. Okay, hold on. Need to be My laptop slept in that time while I was away. Okay, so I see you destroyed me. Um, Never mind. Catch, never mind. Flat, and what do we have here? Oh no, Rust Playground. Oh my god, I'm afraid of this. Move. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, what? It was, I think. Maybe it wasn't. Wait, no. Oh, it is there. Oh, oh. It was so small. Okay, I mean, you probably couldn't have figured out how to find it. It was me in Be Right Back state. Such a shame. Oh wow, that was strong. Stronger than expected. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? Rock, paper, scissors, play! What? Wait, how is this supposed to work? Battle. Random player. Why is there nothing other than random player? Oh wow. Why did you have to use iterators and like all that fun stuff? I'm not implementing iterators, no. And there are no generics here. You literally did dynamic dispatch. Why? Why did you not do any generics? Just implement fold? You want me to implement only fold out of all of this code base? YouTube check, by the way. Very important function. So you want me to implement lambdas? Is that what you're saying? Or don't do iterators, just fold. You know I can't do fold without iterators. I wanna fix the lib. Hold on, let me try. Let me just try fixing it. Can I actually not have any dependencies on? Wait, what's wrong? On like on my rates. If I want them to be dilibs. Wait, bin can't be there. Yeah, this doesn't quite work. Okay, how am I gonna fix this issue? Create type and not create types, huh? I think our linked list will be in rustc one. I'm pretty sure I tried that. Wait, where's the function? Fold must have a function passed into it. And also fold must be generic over iterators and other things. And also, like, it's not just a function, it must be a closure. Right? It's gonna be such a pain to re-implement the whole iterator system. Okay, you didn't use the closure. Why are you counting P1 one instead of counting both? Why wouldn't you count both of them? It would be... No, it would look nicer in my opinion. Okay, so can I fix this? I don't think I can fix this issue. Does this mean I can't use dependencies? It is a closure. LOL. It is a closure, sure it is a closure. But like, why wouldn't you count both P1 and P2 one? And then compare them between the each other. It would have looked nicer. In my opinion. Okay, so this does not work for me. You just see the fold. I was talking about a different thing, but sure, I guess. Then it's not fun. Then you just asked me to do a dynamic dispatch. So I create num, I create dynamic dispatch, vtable. Why does this have to mutate self? Then I create a function that takes dynamic dispatch pattern matching. Yeah, I'm not implementing that. I don't want to see dynamic dispatch. I showed it, didn't I? Last time. It's not gonna be any different. I have other ideas for static dispatch traits, for generic traits, but not for like dynamic dispatch weight gist. Right, this is the first one, right? Challenge.c, challenge.cpp. Okay, so what do we have here? Oh, did you? Oh, maybe I did. Maybe I didn't do any. I'm not doing unreachable, by the way. Well, this is short. This is just... Okay, sure, fine. Oops. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do this. Where did it go? What was the what were the file names? Challenge.rs, right? Oh, and let's copy the link. Like, are you actually like? Why are you so why is dynamic dispatch so interesting to you? Because I remember you like actually wanting to see it last two challenges as well. It's so simple. Is this actually randomized? Or is this deterministic? Yeah, it is randomized. So in C++ it's easy. You just make a pointer to an object, but in C it's not that hard either. In type def. I'm using type def, by the way. It is just function pointers, yeah. Struct, so look, rock, paper, scissors, vtable. So a vtable is just a table of pointers. Move, play. How do you normally do this? I think so. Vig actually has a very good explanation of this. Rock, paper, scissors vtable self. I'm just gonna do this. Pretty sure I need to do a step def struct. Oh wait, it's not gonna work like that. Wait, can I do type def? Can I just do this? Wow, is it gonna work? Actually, I don't think it is, but let's try it anyway. Fun fact, you can make a C++ function that has a return type written like that. Type. In C++, it's not in C, but you can. vtable. 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 vboo. .h. stdlib, I'm pretty sure contains and stdint for integers. stdlib, I'm pretty sure contains rand. Or is it std_rand? Okay, so p1 play, p2 play. Const move 1. Move 2 p2 play 2. No, I'm just gonna do if else. I'm not gonna worry about namespacing the enum. Rocks, scissors, paper, scissors, books, paper, rock. Type def this. When it's time to raise a type, will I cast it? Good question. We'll see. I don't I don't really remember. Move. Well, I can't just say it. It's I mean, I am gonna cast the pointers. Wait, actually, how vtables are implemented is different in C and Rust, by the way. And do you want to see the C version? Wait, in C++ and Rust. Do you want to see the C++ version or the Rust version? That's my question. Random player play. Because it's gonna be different. For now, I'm gonna write middle. Was that by Logan something? So, do you want the C version or the Rust version? Just say. I'm not gonna say why they're different until you actually say what version you want. Doesn't matter, just say Rust. Okay, that changes everything. But PTR. Now you probably know that already. It's gonna involve some generics probably. Even actually what I don't care about generics. Void pointer Now you can see why we use why we put stars to the right hand side. Type def. Also, I'm not adhering to C rules by doing this, but sure, I guess. So P1. Wait, it shouldn't be like this. It should be like that. And okay, I'm gonna do it generic. Define. Make fat. Yeah, sure. Make fat ptr or fat ptr impl. Make what is the kernel? trt meta t. So I'm gonna do ptrt pointer ptr meta t pointer meta. Oops. Fat ptr hash ptrt hash meta t. I don't care. Fat ptr impl. So we'll need to provide we'll need to do void and rock paper scissors table. Okay, this is gonna be a long type. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna provide the first argument here. I'm just gonna make it a single generic because ptr pointer type doesn't actually matter. In my case at least. Unknown type meta t. Alright. Just t. Fat ptr. That's a long type, isn't it? So p1 now I can just do dot meta ptr. So this is actually easier. It's gonna cast automatically, isn't it? Now this makes it easier because I actually have access to this type. Now rand percent reminder 3. Why did you not put spaces around it? Also, I'm not gonna care about const r. Okay, so if r is equal to 0, return. Okay, I'm gonna do it proper way and not just cast here. Paper scissors implemented for players. Now we'll create a vtable. Fat ptr. This here. Mutable reference. Yeah, sure. Best of 3. Okay, you want fold. You want fold. Okay, fine. I'll give you fold. I'll give you fold on a range. And I'm also gonna use ints. Or am I? And I'm also not gonna do closures. I'm gonna do a generic fold. Oops. T fold, T start, T end, T initial. So we're gonna do what does it do? So it's wait, why does it take 2 arguments? Why does it take 2 arguments? Hold on. Also, I'm not gonna be able to do this normally. I'm gonna actually need to do closure. Which means the call operator, which means I'm not doing it. Unless I just global it. But what is the second argument that you're ignoring? I don't remember. Fold is accumulated. Yeah. Isn't it? So you take the old value and return a new. Oh wait. This is the value. This is a value, right. Right. Yeah, we're not doing it. Yeah, those are already pointers, which technically I should make those pointers inside of the loop, but nah. I'll just do it outside. Feels simpler to me. Well, I already did it. I'm just gonna do int p1 1. Just gonna get rid of this as well. 1 1 plus plus. Frames. Oh no. Well, it seems fine right now. Actually, YouTube check. Okay, sure, I'll give you the underscore. Huh? Did I not? Oh, right. Oh wait, play takes void pointer self. Wait, how do you cast a function pointer? Can I just do void? Can I just do this? Oh, I can! Forget all types, I don't care! Actually, unreachable put as unreachable reached executed. Exit. I think that's about it. Also return 0. Because I want to. Challenge.c and a.out. Well, we got lucky. P2 got lucky. 6 volts, here we come. Nope. Kill us S rand 42. Maybe we'll get something different, or maybe I've just missed something. Eh? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it should have been randomized. Might be me. You're impressed by what? Oh, 1-1. Paper. Wait, how? Oh. So you count draws towards player 2. Wait. I just realized. Nigel. Why? 1-1, 0-1, 2-1. So the second player did all ones. So this is the draw towards player 2. Then 0-1. Scissors. Oh wait, rock, paper. Should have been, yeah, right. This does as well towards player 2. And scissors, paper. Well, yeah, player 2 still wins. Does it get randomized? So it is just high chance. Okay, so a draw. First one is paper, scissors. Player 2 wins, and second one is doesn't matter actually. You just made it unfair. I don't know if we can get. I don't know if we can get player 1 to win. Wait, what? Hi Kuko. What's this emote? So yeah, right now we're just converting rustc by Nigel's requests as a challenge. There were 2 challenges prior to this where we were doing it, and yeah. Right now he tasked us with converting dynamic dispatch, which is pretty easy. Yeah, I know, I remember. It's just luck or unluck, I guess. Wait, why can't do this? Eh. Let's just brute force random until it Oh, here you go. Player 1 wins. Yeah. So player 1 must just win 2 of those. That's just unlucky. So yeah, I say the code is complete. Is it even worse of creating a GitHub gist for it? I guess, sure. Challenge.c file. We're downloading Helix from Scoop. Ooh. What's Scoop? You can also manage these packages in a portable way, keeping them neatly isolated in... Oh, that's home. Home Scoop. Wait, why is /now Windows Windows Package Manager? I am used to Chocolately, or whatever you pronounce, however you... or Winget. Honestly, I never used any of those. Never really, but I heard of them at least. Challenge number 3 from Nigel with a row. You need to restart your computer. Oh. This time converting Rust. Upload Rust version of rock, paper, scissors to C. Like, if anyone opens my GitHub gist, by the way, I don't know. How am I gonna get a job with this in my GitHub gist? It's fine. Um, actually, like this. By the way, the tag worked. Chattery. Wait, you transferred your repos. Statically typed Lisp. Does it have similar commands? Well, BC for close buffer instead of BD for buffer delete. Buffer next, buffer previous, same. Although I have rebinded it like Nigel's did to control. You know. Oh, those are new rewrites. Oh wow. Then new E or edit or O or open for opening a file. Although I just do hx file name or hx directory. Space F for file search. That's the only way you can browse files, by the way. Anyway, so I was going to do what? Oh, right. I was going to mark something as done. How did you manage to make me stream 3 hours? I started so late. Yeah, I do. I still do. That's so much nicer than the old way. Just do this, do this. And do this. Okay. I have a lot of work. So yeah, that's about it for the challenge. So I don't know if I can fix it about daily Bishi. Static lib. cdlib could use. I guess I could do cdlib instead, but I don't know if I can. Like, this is such a rusting. Actually, I probably can. It just supports the libs. This one. Wait, where did the... I deleted the library thingy. cdlib. Could not... Oh wow, could not compile it with cdlib either. Hydrate. I'm gonna sleep. Well, I'm gonna go as well. Because I don't think I can fix this issue right now. Let's raid somebody. Actually, compiler, just in case. Like, one time it actually worked. IRAD, sure, I guess. Thank you all for joining. See you later. Bye. Oh wait, I should. I will check them offline. Although I will check them now. Okay, actually, it's quicker to check here. Oh, it's not what I wanted to click. Compiler. Yes. Probably only Christoph. Yeah, Christoph just is as always. Yeah, see you here. Bye.